Hi, Jitendra Kondur here. Today I am going to tell you some very interesting fact about the number 9, its table and some other things. 9 is a number which has created interest in the mathematicians world over because it is quite unique. Main thing first is it is the highest one digit number. It is the highest one digit number. After that you have 10, which is the lowest two digit number. Now if you look at the further highest numbers in 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, so you will have 9, then 99 2 digit highest number, 999 3 digit highest number, 9999 4 digit highest number, and so on. So you just go on increasing the number of nines in this. So that is quite unique in this. Okay. Now we will look at the table of 9. You all know the table of 9. That is 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 9 threes are 9 fours are 9 fives are 9 sixes are 9 sevens are 9 eights are 9 nines are and 9 tens are. So you all know, maybe your teachers in school have told you at some point that the easy way of writing 9 is you first take the ones numbers in the answer. So 9, then you have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 last. So rocket countdown basically 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now we have to write the digits in tens place. First is 0. So normally you don't write 0, you just write 9. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0 in the reverse order, and in the straight order 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The reverse of this. So both ways are the reverse of each other. 9, 8, 7, 2, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are reverse. Another interesting thing about this is if you consider 45 and 54, the digits are interchanged. If you consider 63 and 36, digits are interchanged. Here you have 63, here you have 36 here. Same with 72 and 27. The digits get interchanged. 27 here, 72 here. Same with 18 and 81. 18 here, reverse it, 81. Same here, you have 90 and 09. Reverse it, you get 90. This is very interesting. Another interesting thing is you add the digits in the answer and see what you get. Four plus 5, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. So if you look at, you add the digits in the answers in the 9 table, to one digit you get 9. Suppose you say 9 11s are 99. So 99 is 9 plus 9, which is 18, which is 1 plus 8, which is again 9. You get 12 into 9 is 108, which is 1 plus 0 plus 8, which is 9. 13 nines are 117, which is 1 plus 1 plus 7, which is 9. So you take any number multiplied by 9 and whatever answer you get, you add the digits to come to a single digit, you get 9. Quite interesting, right? Now we will look at some other thing in this. Okay. When you say 9 square, now normally the squares of numbers are taught after say 5th or 6th standard. So 9 square of a number is the number multiplied by itself. So 9 square is 9 into 9. We know the table of 9, so we can straightaway write 81. Suppose for people who don't know, 9 square I can write as one number before 9 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 square is 81. Now we go further. We have two 9s here. 99 square. One number before 99 is 98. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. This is your answer. Now we look at 999 square. One number before 999 is 998. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Answer is this. Very simple. Quite interesting. So you can go on and find out the squares of numbers which have 9. Okay. Now we are looking at one more interesting thing in this. We will look at the table of 9 with a different perspective. It can be used for teaching students in schools, in primary standards also. Okay. Now I am using my own hand to draw fingers. When you are teaching, you can have someone with their fingers like this, and then you can use this trick. Now these are the fingers of on our palms, hands. So like this, you have 10 fingers. Now I number those fingers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have numbered the fingers. Now we are looking at how to, say the table of 9. Suppose you want 9 twos are. So 9 twos are, what to do? You have fingers like this. You're starting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number 2 you cross and then do the thing which I tell you. So you block number 2. Now how many fingers are there before 2? 1. So you write 1. How many fingers are there after this? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Now we are looking at say 9 fives are. Okay? 9 fives are. So block 5. How many fingers are there before 5? 4. How many fingers are there after 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So you get 9 fives are 45. We will look another example, 9 sevens are. So 9 sevens are, you block 7 here. So how many fingers are there before 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You write 6. How many fingers are there after 7? 1, 2, 3. You write 3. Very interesting. You can use just your fingers for creating a table of 9. Suppose we have 9 ones are. Block 1. How many fingers are there before 1? 0. How many fingers are there after 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 ones are 9. We have say 9 eights are. Okay. If you look at 9 eights are, block 8. Okay. When we block it, how many fingers are there before it? 7. We write 7. How many fingers are there after it? 2. So we get 72. Suppose we look at 9 tens are. Okay? 9 tens are. Block 10. How many fingers are there before 10? 9 fingers. So we write 9. How many fingers are there after 10? No fingers, because a human being has only 10 fingers. So there are no fingers after 10. So there are 0. So this is how you can write the table of 9. Hope this is interesting. In further videos, I'll come out with some more tricks in maths. Thank you.